Duplicate a database in Notion, a handy skill that can enhance your workflow and productivity within this versatile platform. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking projects, or organizing any type of information, duplicating databases can simplify and streamline your work. Let's dive into it, step by step. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. This is the hub where all your projects, documents, and databases live. Within this workspace, navigate to the specific page that houses the database you'd like to duplicate. If you're like many users, you might have a page aptly titled Projects or Tasks. That's where we'll find the database in question. Once you're on the page with your desired database, hover your mouse over the database title. This could be anything like tasks or projects, based on how you've organized your pages. As you move your mouse cursor over the database title, you'll notice that 3 small dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, appear on the top right corner of the database block. These 3 dots are your gateway to further actions you can perform on this database. Click on those 3 dots. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. Doing so will open up a menu with several options that allow you to customize and operate on the database. Among these options, you'll find the one we're looking for: Duplicate. Click on Duplicate, and you'll notice that Notion swiftly creates a copy of your database. This duplicated version will usually appear just below the original on your page or in the sidebar, depending on how your workspace is configured. At this point, you have a perfect copy of your original database, complete with all the same structure and content, but with a different title. This allows you to use this new database for a separate project without affecting the original. Now, if the name of the copy database doesn't quite fit, or if you want to differentiate it more clearly, you can easily rename it. To do this, just click on the current title of the duplicated database, which might be something straightforward like Task Copy. Type in whatever new name suits your needs best. This could be anything from Project Archive to Weekly Tracking, whatever aligns with your organizational system. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to duplicate databases in Notion, giving you the flexibility to replicate your organized systems effortlessly. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Notion workspace is always optimized for efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Until next time, happy organizing!